Hi everyone, it's Happymailqueen. Today I have another project share. Also a small, tiny haul. My items that I had ordered from AliExpress are just trickling in. So it's been probably like a month and a half maybe. Um, so anyway, I had ordered some of these. They're like plastic bottle caps. Oh my gosh, they are so adorable. I got them in different colors and they came in a pack of 10. I'll leave the links down in the description box. But I had learned about this from Gina, who is Scrapinology. Hey Gina. She had shared these and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get these. If you guys remember, we used to make bottle cap embellishments. Haven't done that in a really long time, but I was definitely inspired to create some after receiving these. So I did go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and share with you. I did use some puffy stickers from the Sweet Story, this one right here. And I also used some all heart tassels. So these are ready-made, so I might as well go ahead and use them. So let me go ahead and share what I decided to do with these. Okay, so I started out with this one right here, and this one is the blue. I believe this is the blue color. And like I said, they're plastic and they already have the rhinestones on them, which is great. The only thing is they didn't have the holes, so I did use my Euro punch, which is this one right here, in case you guys don't have one of these. This is a must when you're creating some embellishments and you need to make tiny holes. It does create tiny holes and it's pretty strong too, so it'll punch through plastic bottle caps, the metal bottle caps as well. So I used that. I put some jump rings on the top and bottom, and with the lobster clasp right here. As far as the decoration on the inside, I did use some glossy accents, and I had popped out one of these from my rosettes because I just wanted to use the base rosette. And so I had this part left over, and so what I did was I punched that out using a 1-inch circle punch, and that's what fits in here. So I think they came in 2 different sizes, the bottle caps, the plastic bottle caps. So I got the one that would fit a 1-inch circle because it's just easier. I have the punch for it. Took one of these, like I said, I punched holes on the top and the bottom and put some jump rings, and then I went ahead and glued. I just used glossy accents, so I used some glossy accents. I have a bigger bottle actually than this one. I used the bigger bottle, and I adhered the paper on there, and it already had the heart on the middle. And since it was generally flat, I went ahead and poured some glossy accents. And as you can see, I could have filled it some more, but I really didn't want to put that much. I just wanted to make sure that it had that glossiness to it. You do have to let it dry for quite some time, a few hours. I would at least do, some people say 24 hours for it to fully cure. I think after about like maybe 6 or 7 hours, I did look at it, and it seemed to be dry, but I would let it cure, obviously. You can do this in steps. That's how I did it. I had put the glossy accents yesterday, and then today I decorated. So here is the fringe or the tassels from the all heart that I used, and then these are the little dangles that the charms that I recently created. Just strung those up, And that's pretty much it. That's, you know, it's a pretty simple thing. I didn't do too much embellishing. I don't know, I might just add some bling inside, but I haven't decided yet. So let me go ahead and share the rest of it with you. I think they came out so cute. Here's another one right here that I created, and I'm sorry it keeps refocusing because there's just so much bling on this, I think. This is one of my dangles again. I did the same thing. This time, because these are the puffy stickers, this is the puffy stickers here, I wasn't exactly sure how, I mean, they're pretty dimensional, and I was thinking they were going to be a little too thick. So I decided to just do the paper and then the glossy accent, and then put the sticker, the puffy stickers on top, because I kind of like that look too. So obviously the top isn't underneath the glossy accent, but they came out so cute. I love them. Here's another one right here. I did a pink one. Isn't this cute? Let me just zoom in a little bit. Maybe that's a little. So cute with the another puffy sticker there, and a couple of star puffy stickers. And then I made a sweet treat one, this one right here, and I used a bail for this one. I cut off the shank because this is a button, and then I put one of these metal bails, and I only used glossy accents again to adhere the bails. And then I just did a few puffy stickers. This time I used glitter cardstock. So once it does dry, you can still see the glitter underneath because the glossy accent dries clear, if you guys are wondering. And then, let me see, I think I made two more. So here's the yellow one. Isn't this cute? I had to do one of the air balloons, the hot air balloons, so I did it in yellow background. And then here's another, more of a mustard yellow from the paper collection. I just kind of punched out the paper, the cardstock, and then put a little puffy rainbow. So I think these came out so stinking cute. I love the way they came out, and I might just add some more bling. I mean, it's pretty bling as it is already, as you guys can see. That's why I had to have these bottle caps. I mean, they're just so cute, and you get so many, and yeah, just had to make some with the this collection, because you guys know I love this collection, and that's what I'm using right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed what you saw, and if you're interested, I can do a tutorial if you want, or maybe a process video if you're interested on how I created these, but they're pretty simple to make. So alright guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys had a good July 4th, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!